The biggest Lantern of Hope 2025 has officially lit up the holiday season, marking its 9th year with its grandest and most immersive showcase yet. Towering at 223 feet, the iconic Pampanga Eye dazzles the crowd with 17,664 synchronized dancing lights, turning the massive structure into a radiant symbol of unity, joy, and the Filipino Christmas spirit.
On behalf of SM City Pampanga, I am honored to welcome you to this year's biggest Lantern of Hope.
This year's edition highlights two major crowd favorites, the Pyro Musical Show and a 10-minute projection mapping spectacle. Drawing visitors from all over Pampanga and beyond, biggest Lantern of Hope 2025 continues to shine as a beloved holiday attraction, bringing light, hope, and festive cheer to every spectator.
This is our 10th year. So isang dekada na po kaming nagse-celebrate kasama ang ating mall goers sa Kapampangan.
This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.